Hello, my name is Robert, and today we will be introducing Sugatsune's LC-60 Flush Slam Latch. This latch is good for securing maintenance doors on industrial control panel enclosures in industries such as aerospace, automotive, transportation and RVs, manufacturing, medical and laboratory, power and utilities, and also retail. So some of the great features about this latch are that it automatically locks the door when it's closed. It has a large finger pull for easy opening. And the slim design doesn't take too much space inside the cabinet, and it also hides the screws from the outside. So this latch is very suited for applications such as control panels because it locks when closed, has a large finger pull for easy opening, has a slim design so it doesn't take up too much space in the cabinet, and the screw hidden from the outside. So the latch bolt is made out of a glass fiber reinforced polyamide composite, and it is UL 94 HB compliant. The case and the handle are made out of a 304 stainless steel. It has a nice barrel polished finish. The back plate is also 304 stainless, and it also features fastening hardware in stainless where the washer, the spring washer, and the bolt are also stainless steel. We have two versions available, the LC-60-3, which is compatible from 2mm to 3.2mm door thicknesses. We also have the L60-5, which is compatible for a minimum door thickness of 4.5mm. For more information on our Flush Slam Latch and other products, visit our website at Sugatsune.com.